In a small town surrounded by green hills, there lived a boy named Oliver. Oliver lived in a simple house with his parents and his younger sister, Lily. Their house was not big, and they did not have many expensive things. But it was always clean, warm, and full of love. Every morning, sunlight came through the small windows, and the smell of breakfast filled the kitchen. Oliver liked this feeling. It made him feel safe. Oliver's father worked as a bus driver. He woke up very early every day and left the house before sunrise. His mother worked part-time at a bakery in town. She baked bread and cakes and sometimes brought home sweet rolls for Oliver and Lily. Lily was 8 years old. She liked drawing pictures and singing songs in a soft voice. Oliver was 16. He was quiet and thoughtful. He often helped his mother at home and walked Lily to school. Sometimes he felt worried about the future, but he did not talk about it much. He kept his thoughts inside. One evening, the family sat together at the dinner table. They ate vegetable soup and fresh bread. Oliver's father looked tired but smiled as he listened to Lily talk about her school day. "I drew a big rainbow today," Lily said happily. "My teacher said it was beautiful." "That is wonderful," their mother said. "You always use bright colors." Oliver watched his family and felt a warm feeling in his chest. He thought, "This is what home feels like." But life is not always easy. And soon the family would face a difficult time. One winter, Oliver's father became sick. At first, it was only a small cough. But after some weeks, he felt very weak. The doctor told him he needed to rest and could not work for a while. The family worried because his job was their main income. Oliver noticed the change at home. His mother looked tired and worried. She worked longer hours at the bakery. Bills began to pile up on the kitchen table. The house felt quieter than before. One night, Oliver heard his parents talking softly in the living room. "We will manage," his mother said gently, but her voice sounded tired. "I am sorry," his father said. "I wish I could do more." Oliver stood quietly in the hallway. He felt a mix of sadness and determination. He thought, "I want to help my family." The next day, Oliver spoke to his mother. "Mom, I want to find a small job after school," he said. His mother looked at him with surprise. "You already study hard," she said softly. "I don't want you to feel too much pressure." Oliver smiled gently. "I want to help. We are a family." After thinking for a moment, his mother nodded. "Okay, but remember to take care of yourself." Oliver found a part-time job at a small grocery store near the town square. After school, he helped arrange fruits and vegetables, cleaned shelves, and helped customers carry bags. The work was not easy, but Oliver felt proud. Every evening, he brought home a small amount of money. His mother thanked him with a warm hug. His father smiled with gratitude. "Your help means a lot," his father said one night. Oliver replied, "We are in this together." As weeks passed, Oliver learned many things. He learned how to wake up early, how to manage his time, and how to stay patient when he felt tired. He also learned how strong family bonds can be. One afternoon, while walking home from work, Oliver saw Lily sitting on the front steps. She looked sad. "What's wrong?" Oliver asked gently. "I miss when Dad used to tell stories every night," she said quietly. Oliver sat beside her. "He will get better," he said. Let's tell him stories tonight." That evening, Oliver and Lily sat by their father's bed and told funny stories from school. Their father laughed softly, and the room felt lighter. Slowly, Oliver realized that helping is not only about money. It is also about time, care, and love. Spring arrived, and flowers began to bloom around the town. Oliver's father slowly became stronger. He could walk around the house and sometimes sit outside in the sun. One sunny afternoon, the family sat together in the small garden. Birds sang in the trees, and a gentle breeze moved through the air. "I am grateful for all of you," their father said. "This time has taught me how important family is." Oliver looked at his parents and sister. He felt a deep sense of connection. He understood that even difficult times can bring people closer. Later that year, Oliver faced a challenge at school. He failed an important math test. He felt disappointed and worried. That evening, he sat quietly at the table. His mother noticed. "Tell me what's on your mind," she said kindly. "I failed my test," Oliver said. "I tried, but it was not enough." His father spoke gently. "Failure is not the end. It is a step in learning." Oliver listened carefully. He decided to study harder. His family supported him, helping him find time to study and encouraging him when he felt tired. Weeks later, Oliver passed the next test with a good score. He felt proud, not only of the result but also of his effort. Years passed slowly, and Oliver grew more confident. He continued working, studying, and helping at home. Lily grew older too. She still loved drawing, and her room was full of colorful pictures. One evening, the family celebrated Lily's birthday. They decorated the house with simple paper decorations and baked a small cake. They laughed and shared stories. Oliver thought, "Happiness is not about having everything. It is about being together." One night, during a power outage, the house became dark. The family lit candles and sat together in the living room. They talked, sang songs, and shared memories. The soft candlelight created a peaceful atmosphere. Oliver realized that even in darkness, family can be a light. As time went on, Oliver finished school and found a stable job. He continued to live with his parents for some time, helping with expenses and enjoying family dinners. One evening, while sitting at the table, Oliver said, "Thank you for always supporting me." His mother smiled warmly. "Family is always here." His father added, "We grow together." Oliver felt grateful for every moment, the difficult times, the joyful times, and the ordinary days. He understood an important lesson. Family is a source of strength. Love, patience, and kindness create a home where people can grow and heal. Years later, Oliver often remembered those days, the smell of fresh bread, the sound of laughter, and the feeling of sitting together at the dinner table. He carried those memories in his heart, like a warm light guiding him through life. And wherever he went, he knew one truth: no matter how far you travel, the love of family is always with you. Steady and bright, like a gentle light in the quiet night.